Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're networking with potential employers, connecting with colleagues, or simply expanding your professional circle, knowing how to share your profile efficiently is essential. Let's walk through the different methods you can use. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your profile smoothly. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile picture and name. Click on your profile to open it. This action will take you to your full profile page where you can view all your information, work history, skills, and connections. Now that you're on your profile page, take a look at the URL bar at the top of your browser. This is your unique LinkedIn profile link. You can simply click on this URL to highlight it, then right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut to copy it. Once copied, you can paste this link anywhere you'd like, whether it's in an email, a text message, or even on other social media platforms. This is the quickest way to share your profile with anyone. Alternatively, LinkedIn offers a more direct sharing method built right into the platform. Look for the Resources button on your profile page. It's usually located near your profile picture or in the top section of your profile. Click on Resources to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Send Profile and a Message. This feature allows you to share your profile directly through LinkedIn's messaging system, which is particularly useful when you want to maintain a professional connection within the platform itself. A new window will pop up where you'll need to input the name of the person you want to send your profile to. Start typing their name, and LinkedIn will suggest connections from your network. Select the correct person from the suggestions that appear. Once you've selected the recipient, click the Send button. LinkedIn will instantly deliver your profile to that person through their inbox, making it easy for them to view your professional information and connect with you further. And that's it. You now have two effective ways to share your LinkedIn profile, whether through copying the direct URL or using LinkedIn's built-in messaging feature. Both methods are quick and ensure your professional presence reaches the right people. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.